जवां है जवां मंजिल है आसमां है जवां जोश तेरा
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Nambardar TV.
If your world is shrouded in mystery, it's time to turn on Nambardar TV. Let's uncover the truth together. They may not see, but Nambardar will see. Nambardar TV is the true voice of Nambardars. Who is the traitor among Nambardars? We will reveal the truth. Who is behind the corruption of girls? Know the truth and much more, only on Nambardar TV. Together, we will expose the secrets and shine a light on the hidden truths. Join us and let's uncover the real story. Stay tuned to Nambardar TV, where truth finds its voice.
Thank you for watching Nambardar TV. We'll keep you updated on any latest news and developments.
किसी से कम नहीं इसका हमको है यकीन जा वतन परवार दे